Hello, it's me, Eagle, just call me Eagle, and you're probably wondering why I'm recording my voice. Well, I will consider doing this, so yeah. You're probably wondering also, why do I not normally do my voice? It's because I don't have a mic at home. I'm not currently home right now, so it's fair for me to use the mic here. See, that's the only problem I have over in mine, but anyways, oh my god, I'm just gonna try Firefox. No. Sometimes I wonder why I still use this laptop. Oh my god. Okay then, if I'm not going to be able to play MSP, then I can just talk. So, I have been losing things such as friends. That's a start, and that is not something good. Thank God I reached out to my USA account, but for some reason UK isn't working, and also I'm so sorry I sound like a freaking crappy hoe, but that's my voice, so blah. But anyways, as it is so laggy, I will play MSP. Yay! This is so fun, obviously. I'll try and reach out to my UK next time. Also, I'll try and make more videos than I usually do. Literally, I only made this USA account like 5 days ago. I guess we'll just go shopping and be boring. I'm so sorry I can't get to my UK account. Next time I will be there. Hopefully. Oh my god. I don't even think my MSP is working. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's just my laptop, but I think I have too much spares. I'm pretty sure I have to delete them. Well, welcome to my USA account. Feel free to add it. Right. I don't even know my own username. Left arrow, rare eagle, left arrow. Okay, I'm just gonna stop this because this is not working. Bye, and subscribe to become a Krusty2 and join the Krusty2 family. Bye.